Today, I'm going to show you how to get an extra 20 horsepower out of your FD using a chip. That's right, a chip.
Seriously, I just had it.
Right, so this is pretty straightforward. You can go on eBay and you can order these chips. They're about 10 bucks. They're super old and they're super available. What you want to do is you'll get this guy. It'll get shipped in. It's just an old Pentium 1 processor from like way back in the day. You need the chip, and you need a valve paint marker, and you just take it right like this. Okay, now you want to let this dry because it won't perform right if you don't let it dry for at least 30 seconds. It's ready to go in. It's nice and clean. These will fit literally any FD. You just have to make sure you're on the driver's side. Now mine's a right-hand drive, and that's really important to get it on the driver's side. You take the pins and you just push it right into the carpet. Boom. 20 horse. Look at that. Easiest mod in the world. Try it. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. Total joke, but you get the idea. Everyone has their own little quirks and stuff that they do to their cars. That was a throwback from way back in the day whenever I was taking computers apart and going to computer school and stuff. So I did that to my old FC, and now I've done it to my FD. It's just one of those little touches that the sense of humor and the little touches that you do to your car just make all the difference. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.